In this session, you will learn how to create a new Xamarin cross-platform project, and also you will learn how to run it on different platforms. Follow this step to build a cross-platform app. If you have Xamarin successfully installed, just open Visual Studio, click on File on the top left corner and go through New Project. Click on Project. After you click, a new window will open. Click Cross Platform. You can also select Android or iOS for the platform specific application. Now choose mobile application and name the project as you like. I put here Xamarin app. Xamarin app. You can also select your application location. I put my project inside E drive, inside folder app, and click OK. There are multiple type of pages in Xamarin Form: blank, master, detail, tab. In next session, we will learn supported pages types in Xamarin Form: about content page, master detail page, navigation page, tabbed page, and carousel page. Also about template page. Here is platform specific: Android, iOS, and Windows. There are two strategies for code sharing. One is .NET Standard, another is Share Project. In Share Project, a project is not directly compiled. In other words, no DLL file is produced in the compilation process. Instead, the files are compiled into the same DLL as the project data references it. This way, it is possible to write blocks of platform specific code in the Share project that will only be compiled by a specific platform. While in case of .NET Standard, projects are compiled in portable assembly that run in any .NET based runtime. This means .NET Standard project can be included in the supported platform executable files because all the assembly will run in the same runtime. We will also discuss later on about portable class library PCL are another approach to build a shared library. It becomes less and less used with the adoption of .NET Standard. Click on OK. The first time it will take some time run the project, so just keep calm. After that, here is your solution explorer. On local machine, here is a play button. I have already created my emulator device, my device. Here is a PI label and Android version. Click the play button. It will take some time the first time you run it, and this will be your first output. Welcome to Xamarin Form. Here Xamarin Form provide by default two XAML pages. One is app.xaml, another is main page.xaml. Go to xaml.cs page, app.xaml.cs page. Here is a main navigation stack. It's redirect to main page XAML. Inside main page.xaml there is a label welcome to Xamarin Form. When app is successfully deployed at emulator, it shows the message welcome to Xamarin Form. Have a look. I hope this session allowed you to create new Xamarin project much more efficiently and provide you the knowledge about the cross-platform and platform-specific application. Thank you.